I'm now going through what is happening in the private equity market. So to make a parallel comparison, I am taking S&P 500 and the 10-year US interest rate. Both of those are the benchmark for the respective fields. If I look at the top companies of private equity and I gathered a few, and if I make it like 5 years, I see that there was an extreme shootout in starting from Jan 14 somewhere that time, which went up till July 6. So 2.5 years of boom. So this is for KKR. This is for Aris Capital. If Aris Capital I go, I click 5 years. The peak was like Feb 2013. So all of this suddenly started happening in 2013. Now the question is the correction done or are they still in the boom? Let's look at the stock market S&P 500 for that. The stock market, if I go 5 years, if I click on 5 years, I see that from the Jan 2013, uh, if I look here, it was 1500, it's 1800, all the sharp fall went. But the question is, are we again up? So I'm searching for the common point. The interest rate were quite low in Jan 2013. Starting that was 1.70 all time low. Then it showed up to Jan 2014 to 2.8, which was like the highest. And then again it came down and come. So a cyclical pattern was seen. So my question is that are these private equity companies overvalued or not? So if I look at the numbers and if I assume that a consensus thing tells me that at a point where everything was an all-time high should be uh, somewhere in the mid of 2013 or starting 2014. So let's look here. It was 36, it is 20. It's corrected a lot, like it has gone down by 70-80%. If I look here, yeah, this is again the peak for the same. Jan 2014 becomes our common looking point. It was 35, it is 17, and here it is again the highest point. It was 18, it was 40, and here is Jan the highest point. Yes, it is. Every company was the highest in Jan 2014, and every company has corrected like 70-80% from that. So whoever bought in this part in this region after the boom happened actually will lose money. So everybody who is invested in private equity after Jan 2014 is going to see a downturn, and think written about that. Uh, this boom started late where if you observe this period, Jan to 12 and Jan 13, the S&P were not doing so good if you observe here, and so people started thinking that S&P is not doing good. If you look at the interest rate during the same period, Jan 2012, Jan 2013, interest rate were very low, so you could not earn a lot of return. So maybe people got more into private equity. So from my understanding, it looks like the correction is already done and everything should be like before Jan 2013. So that should be one point. So I think that here it should be this level is more reasonable, which was there like 13 14, but the major correction is already done. So the private equity is already corrected.